Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks in Piggy Build mode. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Build mode option to begin creating your custom map. Once inside, you'll use the basic placement tool to add various objects. Familiarize yourself with the grid system. It helps ensure all your bricks and structures align perfectly for a polished look. Now, let's get into placing those bricks. Open your inventory panel and select the dedicated brick tool. You can easily adjust the brick's size and dimensions using the scaling options available. Don't forget to utilize the rotation and movement controls. These are crucial for precise positioning and creating intricate designs within your Piggy map. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Piggy Build mode tips. And on another note, building can be tough on your feet, so why not treat them to some darn tough socks? They come with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Ready to take your brick building to the next level? Experiment with applying various colors and textures to give your creations unique appearances. For efficiency, group multiple bricks together. This allows you to move or modify entire sections at once. Also, master the copy and paste functions to quickly duplicate structures, saving you valuable build time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.